Hi Eddie, thanks for the update. Okay, so what I did is I downloaded a copy of the Honeycomb just to see if I could take a little look to see if I could figure anything out for you. So we're in the page. Let me just fire this puppy up here. I can get it. Here's our buttons right here. Let's give myself a little bit of room. Okay, so let me just change the picture here. Typically, if we're changing the picture, we just double click on it, right? Hit the browse button, go find your new picture. So I'll just replace it with something else, something small. Or how about info left? There we go. And okay, there's that done. Going over to code view, I just want to see if it really changes anything dramatically. Image source, is it still surrounded by the div class? Yep, so then we just have to change the link to the larger image right there. I don't see any other major product weight height goes to the height. Yeah, I'm not seeing any difference that it would. Well, okay, well, let me just save the page and test it. How about I do that? So um, Firefox. So here, if I click this, there you go. That's that. Okay, so it should be working fine, but it's not in your end. Okay, I'm going to create a sandbox account for you, an FTP testing spot. Just upload the files for me so I can download and see what you actually have. I'll actually look at the code and see if it's done something weird in the code. Um, it doesn't look like it when I switched it over, so I'll take a look at that and just see what's going on. A couple things with, if you haven't done this in Expression, or sorry, in SharePoint Designer, what I'm going to suggest you do is under your site tools, page editor options. So go to tools, page editor options, go to the CSS and just switch everything over to inline styles, set manual style application, everything over to inline styles. Um, and yeah, you use the width and height attributes for images instead of CSS. That's fine. That one you can do with or without. That way it'll make sure that it's not putting any auto styles in the head of your page. That was one of the new features that Microsoft introduced, which is kind of stupid because it's assuming that when you do something to an image in your page, it's going to be the same with all images in all your pages, which may not be the case. So, or anything, any styling of text or whatnot, it assumes it's going to you're doing this for the entire site or sort of thing. So, uh, in most cases, most people don't want to do that. They want to target something, whatever they're doing, that's what they want to do it to. If not, there's the CSS style sheets already in the template, which you can edit. But yeah, so I'll create the sandbox, pop it up there, I'll download a copy and have a look, see what's going down.